Is it time to buy or sell Incannex Healthcare Limited stock? In this video, we will explore Incannex Healthcare Limited in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and now we are providing a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Incannex Healthcare Limited as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -5.01. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock experienced a loss of -3.17%. This amounts to an average loss of -1.58% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 66% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -100% to -14.99%. In terms of longer-term projections, our 12-month analysis forecasts a decrease of around 77%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -95.79% and -39.06% over the next year. This translates to a future price range between 1.11 cents and 15.8 cents. Our latest daily update for Incannex Healthcare Limited includes the headline, "Big movements in Incannex Healthcare Limited stock price on Friday, moving 42.61% between high and low." The Incannex Healthcare Limited stock price fell by -3.17% on the last day, which was Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, dropping from 0.269 to 0.260. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 42.61%, moving from a day low of 0.245 to a day high of 0.349. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days, but remains up by 95.93% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also decreased on the last day, alongside the stock, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, trading volume decreased by 160 million shares, with a total of 219 million shares bought and sold for approximately $56.84 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $3.55, and the lowest price was 0.08. Currently, the price is 92.68%, or $3.29, below the 52-week high, and 99.73%, or $95.81, below the all-time high on March 14, 2022, when the price reached $96.07. Incannex Healthcare Incorporated, trading under the symbol IXHL on NASDAQ, has recently made headlines with 2 significant developments that could have wide-reaching impacts on its stock performance. First, on the 15th of May, the company announced agreements with holders of its Series A warrants that may allow a reduction of up to 50.4% in underlying common stock. This move not only indicates a strategic approach to managing equity, but could also signal improved liquidity, positively influencing investor sentiment. Additionally, on the 14th of May, IXHL shares soared by an impressive 876%, reaching 83 cents per share after the company revealed the successful completion of patient dosing in its Phase 2 trial for IHL42X, an innovative oral treatment aimed at obstructive sleep apnea. This surge reflects the market's strong response to the company's clinical advancements, affirming investor confidence. Looking ahead, these developments could bolster IXHL's stock price in the short term as market speculation thrives on positive trial results and financial maneuverability. In the longer term, sustained success in clinical trials can catalyze further investment and potentially larger partnerships, setting a solid foundation for growth. However, investors should remain vigilant as stock performance will also depend on the outcomes of ongoing trials and overall market conditions. Analysts have assigned Incannex Healthcare Limited stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Incannex Healthcare Limited. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development. The stock of Incannex Healthcare Limited currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative forecast for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at 448 cents. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at 232 cents. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative outlook. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, May 14, 2025, and thus far, it has decreased by 62.86%. Further decline is suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, volume has decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots pointed to a sell signal 3 days ago. The short-term moving average suggested a buy signal 4 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell signal 69 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 107 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Incannex Healthcare Limited. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, this stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock is likely to exhibit considerable movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 10.4 cents between its high and low, which represents an increase of 42.61%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 120.99%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Incannex Healthcare Limited, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may indicate inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 460 thousandths of a dollar. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Incannex Healthcare Limited. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Incannex Healthcare Limited is at 269 thousandths of a dollar. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this level could be worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially decline sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Incannex Healthcare Limited from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade was on the 23rd of October, 2024, when Barbato Luigi M. conducted an insider purchase of 100,476 shares of common stock. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Incannex Healthcare Limited stock a good buy? Incannex Healthcare Limited exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the forthcoming days or weeks. Therefore, our assessment of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 19th of May, we anticipate that Incannex Healthcare Limited will open higher by approximately 24 hundredths of a cent and begin trading at 285 hundredths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading, and we hope you have a wonderful day from all of us at StockInvest.